So how many years you've been putting GSB down, Myron?
Started the application in 2004. This would be the 13th season of applying GSB to various Benton County roads.
And you've been doing about how many miles? 10 to 15 miles a year. Something like that, right?
Close to that. I'd say the first few years was probably 5 to 10, and have added some segments to that, and it's been 10 to 15 miles the last few years.
And what do you feel like the level of success has been? Has it been as effective as you'd hoped? Because you've continued to use it now for 12 years, so why are you still using it?
So when I started looking into the GSB and surface treatments back in the early 2000s, looking for something to help extend the life of our pavements, funding wasn't going to be able to continue to resurface everything like the county had been doing in years prior to that. GSB appears to be doing just that, comparing road segments that asphalt pavements that have not been treated with GSB of a similar age to those that we have treated. There's a noticeable difference, and I'm hoping that we can extend the resurfacing time frame between when we last resurface these roads until we need to again.
So would you recommend GSB to others like yourself who manage infrastructure, roads and highways?
I would recommend GSB. The surface treatment that GSB offers appears to help curb the oxidation and aging of asphalt pavements, and it shows that just visually looking at it, when you get out and look at the pavements after it's been treated, you can see that the aggregates are not popping out of the pavement like you see with untreated pavements, and it sure looks like this treatment is going to extend the life of these asphalt pavements.
How about the county supervisors that you answer to? Are they on board? Do they like what they've seen?
They do. They usually are asking when they notice the fresh treatment and see it's all black and think that we've just done something major new and resurfacing wise. It explained it was a surface treatment that does penetrate and trying to extend the pavement life. They have all been supportive of what we've been doing, and hoping that continues, because it sure looks like treating the asphalt pavements with GSB is showing its worth and cheaper than having to resurface the road every 15 years.
That's good. Now, you may have had some fears that you would get kickback or pushback in the very beginning. Did you have any of that at the beginning from the supervisors?
Not really. We started out with short segments and small, more remote areas, just to confront or to alleviate some of those fears, and have gone into some more heavily traveled roads since then, as well as just pavements that are reaching a point where doing some maintenance treatment to the surface versus scheduling them for resurfacing has proven to be cost effective.
Let's see, Myron, what else would you recommend or like to say to somebody that's thinking about trying GSB? I mean, thinking back to when you were being presented with it and you were skeptical, but you wanted to try something new, what would you say now to those people that are in your shoes today?
Look at pavement preservation as a needed or a wise process in your budget if possible. Just leaving those until they totally wear out might come too quickly for you to address the needs for resurfacing, the treatment costs. Granted, you've got a continuing program that really helps if you stick with it, reapplying every 4 to 6 years, but it sure looks like you could potentially increase the pavement life maybe 50 to 100% of what you would be expecting without any surface